In primetime news this evening, rains from tropical storm Lisa impacting sections of the island. Opposition continues to demand the resignation of Health Minister. Dr. Tufton fires back. And a school principal slapped with more charges in Clifton land saga.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. With a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Javon Keys.
Thanks, Janella. Well, the private sector continues to lament about low productivity. What are the factors? I'll tell you more later on.
Okay, and Renato is also here to give us a preview of what's coming in sports. Renato?
Well, Herman, Jamaican West Indies batsman John Campbell is hoping to get a reduction in his 4-year ban. We'll have that and much more in Primetime Sports.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening. What type of preparations did you make following the tropical storm watch alert issued for Jamaica?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.